Hey everybody! So I just wanted to show you how to calculate your paycheck when you are an essential or a certified consultant. The only difference between an essential and a certified consultant is 1,000 total PRV lifetime. So once your lifetime PRV hits 1,000, you're going to get paid at 25%. Before that, you'll get paid at 20%. So let's say you've sold $700 this month and you're not quite certified yet. What you'll do is you'll do 700 times 0.2, which is 20%. So your paycheck would be $140. Now let's say last month you hit your 1,000, but this month you still sold $700. We're going to do the same $700 times, but now that we're a certified consultant, we're getting paid at 25%. So you'll do 700 times 0.25, enter, and you'll get paid $175. So that is how you would calculate your paycheck as an essential or a certified consultant.